A very good afternoon. Myself, Gunjan Sapra, the HOD of Judo Designing Department, IIG, would like to welcome all of you on our 27th convocation ceremony of IIG in association with IBJA, Mumbai. It is one of the finest virtual convocation of its own kind. IBJA, as we know, Indian Bullion and Jewelry Association Skill Development Council, also known as Bombay Bullion Association, was established in 1990 as specially designed to skillfully improve job opportunities and generate more prospects in jewelry sector. With its unbiased platform, multifaceted approach, it had catered the need of all our metal trading communities. We are very much honored that if we are presenting this convocation as an associated partner with IBJA, and thank to them. Today on this special day, I would like to congratulate all my students who have made a mark in this with their unwaning ambitions in their respective fields. Awards for you are not just a symbol of recognition of success, but it is a beginning of your journey that starts today. It is the beginning of the goal that you have set. So I would like Mr. Jagas to present the company profile video. Can you help me with that? IIG has been established in 1965 and it has completed over 50 years, 5 decades, where we have taught 100,000 students all around the globe. IIG has always focused on core education of students with global vision and believing in delivering tailored solution for each of our students. Let me facilitate Mr. Rahul Desai, the director, who is the backbone of the institute, IIG, the strength behind the institute, who has always adapted himself to new challenges and worked hard for the upliftment of the institute. May I call upon Mr. Rahul Desai to share a few words with the students and the guests, honorary guests.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, sir.
More than student, teacher is always delighted on convocation. I like to share some words with my students. Every end has a new beginning. Today might be the last day for you, all as a student of Business School IIG. But I believe your learning will actually start from today. Some of you learn and utilize this pandemic time to acquire skill and knowledge. Some of you taken utmost precautions and visited physically IIG campus and received practical hands-on training as well. But today I want to say that you all did it and achieved these milestones of a career and business life. Wishing you great success with your dreams and career from entire IIG team. As a teacher, I just like to give you one small piece of advice. Like the change is a constant in today's world. So time to change are perfect for reflections. So let's reflect upon the road we have trekked together so far. I will love to see you all sailing successfully in this industry and achieve more and more for you, your family, and for your country. With all the integrity, honesty, and ethics which you have learned together with technical aspects of this industry. I'd like to bless you with all that you need to earn many more accolades, achievements, and facts in this life ahead. Congratulations and well done. We are so happy that you are achieved this great milestone. From entire team of IIG, happy graduation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gunjan ma'am.
Thank you, Mr. Rahul. Thank you for such sweet words. Now I would like to call upon our chief guest, Mr. Nilesh Gupta, Director of IBJA Knowledge Park and the current President of IBJA Skill Development Council. Mr. Nilesh Gupta, can we have few words for our students, please?
Yeah, sure, Ms. Gunjan. Thank you very much. I am really thankful to IIGC, first of all, for this great privilege. I'm honored as well as I'm humbled, at the same time. Before I miss the opportunity, let me congratulate all the graduates, for their successful graduation in their respective diamond and gemology courses. One thing I would like to underline here, Mr. Rahul is a wonderful person, not only as a faculty, but as an individual also. And I think he must have trained all his students well to look at the practical aspects of their courses rather than just the educational or the commercial aspects of the courses which they have undertaken. So I wish them all the best for their future endeavors. Now, I would take this opportunity to give a brief introduction about what IBJA stands for. And I think that outlook is important if you are, incorporated yourself in any part of the jewelry industry. That is to have a pro-consumer look. If you have a perspective which is pro-consumer, I think you will hit the roof. There is no way nobody can stop you from reaching, heights which no one has dreamt of. Today, I see in the industry, people have become a little limited because of their limited outlook. So I would, this is one unsolicited advice I would like to give to the students. Always look at the benefit of your consumers, have that perspective, and you will fly high, I'm sure. Now, having said that, IBJA is an association which is a pan-India association of bullion and jewelers throughout India. It is the apex body and the oldest association as such, which is looking forward to regulating this, somewhat irregulated industry. It is not regulated now. And I think our Secretary, Mr. Surendra Mehta, our President, Mr. Prithviraj Kothari ji, our mentor, Mr. Mohit Kamboj, now named as Mohit Bhartiya ji, we have their vision, we have their guidance, and we have been guiding along. We have taken, the hardest part of our journey. And at this opportunity, at this moment, I need to thank Mr. Rahul, personally also, because his contribution has been very great in getting us affiliated to Gem and Jewelry Skill Council of India, as well as National Skill Development Council of India. Having said that, I'm a certified handmade jewelry manufacturer, a certified jeweler caster, a casting jeweler, assayer. I have had the privilege of being trained for platinum casting under one of the very few faculties available worldwide. And I have been manufacturing precious alloys for the better part of my life. And you can say my hobby is metallurgy. You can say micro precious metallurgy. The most important thing in your life is not only to learn things technically, but to have a proper interface with the community, to have a proper interface with what is required for the trade. And in that sense, we were amongst the first companies to launch a variety of special hardboard alloys for 22 karat golds, whereas the requirement of the European market is only from 9 karat to the highest, which is 18 karats. Now let's come to the association. IBJA is the oldest association. As I said, we completed a centenary last year. We have like 8,000 members throughout India. And I was myself surprised when we were having a chat, informal chat with our secretary, Mr. Surendra Mehta, that the community at large, from even the international community, follows our rates. So the rates given for precious metals by our association are not only acknowledged, endorsed by the Reserve Bank of India, the courts in India, the various government departments, but even we have a following which is there, internationally. So I wish India, IIG, the same kind of fame that IBJA is enjoying, and I think the collaboration will be more fruitful. Now we got affiliated very recently, and we are planning to sit down and have a hardcore discussion as to what other courses we can induct and have a lot more students under our tutelage, so they can be really trained. So it's not for name's worth, it's not for name's sake, But we really want, Rahulji, as well as us, as well as I think Mr. Ellen is now part of the team. And with the due cooperation of Mr. Himal Soni of Jewelexy, we plan to set up a team where we'll make, skill development an important aspect of, Make in India. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm honored. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Nilesh Gupta. Thank you for such words. Even students are privileged to know more about IBJA. I would like to take the opportunity to present diamond certifications for all the diamond students. Mr. Jagas, if you could just share the certificates, we could announce the names of the Rutuja Patkar, Darsh Jain, Shefali Cha, Sayam Lodha, Salman Mohammad Gun, Aisha Bawal Khan, Yasira Merchant, Aryan Sangvi, Gitik Jain, Dhruv Viradya, Mayank Kataria, Meet Agar, Angan, Jain Shah, Nayan Chopra, Mangesh Kambli. Let me take the opportunity to announce the name of Advanced Diamond Course graduate students. Rishin Chetan Shah, Janil Shah, Yash Sangvi, Kenvi Bua, Lee Desai, Vitraj Shah, Shashikant Gupte, Yash, Manan Gandhi, Gaurav Soni. And last, let me announce the Diamond Trading Course students' names. Preeti Panchal, Paresh Zaveri. I would like to congratulate all of you on behalf of IIG. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations all the students.
Wishing all the best to all the students for your future. And we will always be there for you, helping you out in all your spheres of life, educating you to such level. We want you all to flourish when you go out into the world. Now I would like to call upon our guest of honor, Mr. C.A. Surendra Mehta, National Secretary of IBJA. Sir, if you could have few words from you two for our students.
Well, thank you very much, Gunjan ji. I'm honored to be part of this convocation. First of all, let me thank you, Mr. Rahul Desai, for all this, what is happening today. We actually wanted all of you to come to our IBJA boardroom and have a convocation there. Nilesh ji is our skill development president, and we are, along with the Nilesh ji, we are trying our best to have a collaboration with India, with IIG, International Gemology Institute. And what we are trying to do is how IBJ can reach to the maximum student across India along with IIG. That is our basic plan. IIG has a 50 years of experience. IIG was established in 1965 when I was not even born. And it has by now trained 1 lakh student, about 100,000 students. I'm overwhelmed to see all this thing. And when Mr. Rahul approached me about 2.5 years back, almost I think 3 years back, he approached us. And we decided that we should have some kind of collaboration. Then we got ourselves registered with the Gem and Jewelry Skill Council of India. We got affiliation from NSDC. And without the support of IIG, this would not have been possible. Nilesh ji has talked a lot about IBJA. And I just want to say a few words to you. First of all, congratulations to all the students who have taken up this course at IIG, and I'm sure this is going to give you a very fruitful result. IIG courses, whatever, though I'm not a technical person, I'm a chartered accountant, but whatever course books I have gone through, they are very well designed, excellent programs. And I'm sure this is all going to help you in future. I just want to say one thing, that though I'm a chartered accountant, I got into this gold association about 7-8 years back. What I realized, that you can do anything in your life. Whatever you want to do, you can do anything in your life, but you have to stick to one thing, that daily, please learn something new. Please try to learn something new. Please follow the person to whom you like the most. If you like Rahul sir the most, please follow him on a regular basis. If you like Mr. Alan Hurt, please follow him on regular basis. Even if you like any of your gurus, any of your teacher, any of your professor, any of your politician, please follow him. Please try to read the books, whatever books are written about him, and you will learn a lot of good things in your life. I'm sure Rahulji is a great gentleman. He's very down to earth, and I hope he must have transferred this to all of you students. Please be a nice human being. You have all been the nice student. Please be a nice human being. And as Nileshji rightly said, please have a consumer-centric approach. Whatever you do in your life, please have an approach wherein consumer is benefited. Do you know, we run an association with 8,000 members without charging a single paisa membership fees from any jewelers in the country. We are only association. We don't charge single paisa. This is the kind of consumerism, this is the kind of practice which we have adopted. If you stick to this kind of formula, you will be very successful in your life. I invite all of you to become member of our association. Since your journey is about to begin now, you can just go to our website, fill up a membership form stating that you are a jewelry designer or you have learned something about jewelry, and you can become our privileged member without paying a single paisa fees. And we would welcome all of you. This is the kind of collaboration which IIG and IBJ has now, and we are going to extend it to all the 1 lakh students which have passed out from this. It is not necessary that you need to have some very big entrepreneur setup to become our member. I, along with Rahulji, invite all of you to become our member. In case you need any help from IBJ, you may contact our president, Mr. Nilesh Gupta. We are also trying to collaborate with Jewelexy, where with the help of Rahulji, and very soon we are going to have a very big digital platform also. Thank you very much. I wish that you have all the success in all your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Surendra ji. I just like to add one line, that almost 60 to 70% of our student is from business class. They might have their family business, or they are associated with some kind of a jewelry and diamond business. So it's a really good proposal what you've given for them. I'm really delighted, and thanks a lot for this proposal. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Suren Mehta. Thank you for the invitation. We truly appreciate what you have invited us for. Now, I would like to congratulate all my jewelry designing students, online students, offline students. Can we please share the certificates of our online students? May I call upon their name? Jewelry Designing Manual 1, Rakhi Biswas De, Vinayak Seth, Vishwi V. Shah, Sridevi Arun Kumar, Abhilasha Pandey, Neha Parekh, Radhika Dani, Rasika Bobde, Dr. Neha Tripathi, Nutan Jain, Divya V. Jain, Parul Vinay More. I would also like to congratulate Viraj Palkar on completion of Masters in Jewelry Design, and Tabreza Saruddin Sheikh to complete the merchandising course. We also have Jewelry Designing Manual Professionals, Ragi Doshi, Prem Parmar, and we have few Other names also Vishal Darji and Kushi Jain, who have completed jewelry designing level 1. But the special case, we have 2 other students, jewelry online basics, that started with our first online approach was Divya Manot and Jasmine Parekh. We are thankful for them also to be a part of IIG, and we look forward for more and more to create more opportunities for them and more learning procedures for them. Congratulations to all our students. We truly appreciate all of you to be a part of IIG. I would like to call upon now our special guest, Alan Hart, CEO of the Gemological Association of Great Britain, London, one of the oldest established gemological education association in the world, GEMA. Since 1908, they are providing overall leadership and strategic direction GEMA world-class programs. Mr. Allen is also a director of SIBJO, the World Jewelry Certification and Scientific Associate. May I call upon Mr. Alan Hart, CEO of Great Britain, London, to share a few words, your thoughts with us, sir, please.
Hello everyone, it's an absolute pleasure and an honour for me to be here today to address you at your convocation. I'd like to say hello to Surendra and of course Nilesh. Fine words you gave as well, and of course Rahul, thank you so much for the invite. So, you know, just about me, my name is Alan Hart. Yes, I'm the CEO of the Gemological Association of Great Britain. We were established in 1908 and we had our first exams in 1913. And from that time, we estimate we've probably given out about 100,000 diplomas across the world. I think also I must say we're here because of course it's graduation convocation. So to all the students, congratulations. We know how difficult it's been, especially the last year, and how difficult sometimes it may seem, but it's always a great day to get your certificates and launch yourself into whatever part of the jewelry industry you find yourself going towards. But of course, you know, you may think, why am I here? You know, what am I doing at your convocation? Well, I've got some announcements I'd like to say. It has been an unprecedented time, obviously, during COVID and all the upheavals we've had. And we may think that it's been bad all round, but actually what we've done and what everyone has done is taken an opportunity to look around, you know, what is happening in the industry, where are the opportunities, how can I grow and how can I learn? And this is what we did at GEMA. We looked around the world and we have much influence and we have much collaborations in China, the USA, the Middle East, and Europe, of course. But when I looked, I thought we don't seem to do a lot in India, and that was really surprising because, of course, Great Britain and India have a very long-standing and fruitful relationship over many years. And so I looked carefully with some of my people at India as a whole, and Rahul I met a few years ago, I think in Hong Kong in 2018, and we had a little discussion then. So it was time for us to look at those discussions further. And I sort of felt it was a great opportunity because, you know, people are much better working in collaboration than alone. Take that from me. I think it's really good to have collaboration, take advantage of each other's knowledge, expertise, networks, and how we may move forward for the betterment of the jewelry industry and of course the betterment of education, because education is what life is very much all about, learning, lifelong learning. And so what we decided to do, we had a little chat. We looked at our path forwards, and I thought that I was really impressed, to be honest, by Rahul. Always have been. I won't tell him too much, or he get a big head. But of course, I loved his website. I loved the programs, and I thought that his back message that is on the second page of your website is very much aligned with what GEMA feels as we're a charity, non-profit. So the money we make goes back into our education and supporting industry. And I think there's great opportunity in B2B and B2C consumers. So, you know, courses for business to business and courses for business to consumers, because knowledge really will be better for you in the industry in terms of selling, in terms of social responsibility also is very important. So I can sort of announce today, not quite fully yet, but we're in conversation, and we will be having a memorandum of understanding, Gemological Association of Great Britain, with the IIG in how we may share some of our courses We hope the IIG will become a great accredited training centre, because we look at our teachers have to reach a certain level, and of course IIG has reached that level. So there'll be an accredited training centre and rolling out across India. And we'll be doing a short course, which we at the moment we're calling it Gem Intro. We'll be working with the IIG to deliver that out, and that really is giving someone knowledge about gemology in terms of moving forward. What pathway would you like to do in your studies? Of course, you've done your studies, and now you have loads of options open. And I really echo the sentiments of your speakers that said that, you know, it is down to you. The world is your oyster. Choose wisely. I'm not here to sell FGA, the Fellows of the Gemological Association. I'm here to say to you that we have options. You have options to move forward and really make a bright future for yourself. With that, you know, I think great effort. I know COVID, I reach out to everyone in India and yourselves. I know you're going through a rather tough time at the moment. We've just come through that. So take it from me, it will get better. But, you know, it's an honor for us to be associated with the IIG. I wish all the students congratulations in the future. I wish to welcoming many students that we may see in the future, and of course supporting you all as you go through your careers wherever you may find yourself. So with that, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Thank you so much, Mr. Allen Hector. Nice words from you. Now, students, stay tuned for the surprise of the day. Now we are going to make a special announcement for all of you by Mr. Rahul Desai. Sir, can we have you on stage so that we come to know?
This is the time I think all our IIG students always wait for this particular moment. And this, before that, I just like to thank once again Mr. Allen. On very short notice, he allow us to have this privilege, like to have him as our special guest. And together with that, it's like a what I can expect more than this, like 100 years old Association of India and 100 years old Association of Great Britain, London, both together to felicitate IIG convocation. Like what more I can imagine or wish for my life. So thank you once again to all my chief guest of honor, Mr. Surendraji, and a special guest, Mr. Allen Nileshji. So now this is the moment. I want all the students to hold tight. And any guesses like who will be the student of the year 2020 and 2021, which is actually a virtual training sessions, more or less, but we keep on all the precautions. We try to get offline students and also taught them practically. Some of them also got a very good chance to have a private tuitions, unless and until we have like batch of 10 and 50 students, but they are only 2 or 3 students. So it's like a private tuition for them. So fine. So I'm just opening up the surprise box. Student of the year in the special category and gemology, I like to give this award to Rutuja Patkar. Also with a little physical difficulty, I will not mean it, but yeah, also with that, she always be attentive and attended her class very well. Still, she is doing merchandising with us, and she's about to complete her master's in gemology very soon. So congratulations, Rutuja. Now in the diamond category, there is a real difficult time for IIG faculties and myself too. There is a tie between 2 students, exactly same percentile, and they are Darsh Pramod Jain and Shefali Nehal Shah. Congratulations, both of you. One more announcement for jewelry designing, all the jewelry designing students. I'm sure you are listening to me. So for the offline jewelry designing, Student of the Year award goes to our Masters in Jewelry Design Program student, Mr. Viraj Patekar. Congratulations. And this is the year of learning online, digital world, And I also like to thank at this occasion Mr. Hemal Soni from Jewelexy. He's always been supportive for us and provided us this digital platform as well. So through that platform, we have redesigned our designing program into digital online world. And special thanks to Ms. Gunjan Sapra, like who's been a faculty, and it's a thought of her mind, like a baby of her thoughts, how we can teach students at their place and online. So from that category, one name I want to announce. It's very difficult, but because of her dedication and participation, that award goes to Rakhi Biswas Dev. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, Rakhi.
Congratulations, all the students. Over to you, Gunjan ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Congratulations to all my students, everybody in jewelry, diamond, all gemology field. I'm really thankful to you for having so much patience to sit with me and study online so well. I'm really thankful to all my online students also. They have really had tough time learning online, but we had made whole process so easy and so learning way. The whole procedure has become so tuned in that it's really difficult to say that online students can't learn jewelry designing. I'm totally fab. It's really the whole journey of my online since 6 to 8 months has been tremendous. And I love all my students, the way they work hard on each and every aspect. Thank to all my students who are there. You will be there always with IIG, with me. We as a part of our member, as a family member, we are always associated. Any help, anything, even after completion of your course, we are always there for you. Thank you so much. Any name during the certification ceremony, if I missed to call out, please, your certificates are ready. You can get it physically from the institute anytime. I'm thankful to all my guests also, and a special note of thank. With a special note of thank, I would like to invite Mr. Hemal, the CMD of Jewelexy Marketplace Private Limited, and he is also our IIG Gujarat partner. Mr. Hemal Soni, could we have you on stage with a few words for our students?
Wow, what can I say? The
Yeah.
today's keyword is 100. I can only hear 100 everywhere. 100. It could be 1 lakh, it could be 100,000 or whatever. So it's my pleasure and honor to be here. Thank you. Before I say much about Jewelexy, let me congratulate all the students for this achievement, this milestone, and best wishes for sparkling future, mate. Right, Mr. Allen, you said you got 100 years plus association. Mr. Surendra Mehta and Nilesh ji said 100 years plus association, and Rahul ji and Aaron both share same thing, 100,000 students. Let me add icing on the cake of 100,000. Jewelexy has managed to help nearly 100,000 jewelers in India to get digitized, increase their store footfall, and perhaps increase 30% of their sales revenue using online media in last 4 years. So like I said, today's keyword is probably 100 for everything. On behalf of IIG, I take this opportunity to appreciate our guests and dignitaries for the support. Mr. Nilesh Gupta, Director of IBGA Knowledge Park, and the President of IBGA Skills Development Council. Mr. Surendra Mehta, National Secretary of Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association Limited, IBJA, and Mr. Alan Hart, CEO of Gemological Association of Great Britain, also known as GMA London. And finally, last but not the least, Mr. Rahul Desai, Director of IIG. Once again, thank you all, guests, IIG faculty, team, students, and parents for your time and presence. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Soni. I would like to add on that Jewelexy is one of the most trusted jewelry business platform in today's scenario. And Mr. Hemal Soni, our Gujarat associate partner, has always worked with us online to bring IIG more further in our jewelry business platform way. I'm really thankful, Mr. Soni, for your words. We have few feedbacks of the students' videos also shared with you on the platform. Mr. Jagas, can we have student feedback videos on the platform?
Hi, this is Himani Parmar. I am currently working in Angel Jewelers and I have done my jewelry designing course from the International Institute of Gemology. Faculties over there, Mr. Amarnath sir is very great guru and with a creative mind. I really thanks to IIG Director Rahul Desai for helping us and guiding us in taking our various competitions. The team over there are really good and they are always helpful. So you should always try for and looking for any courses, you should join IIG. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Rakhi Biswasdev from Guwahati, Assam, and I'm a practicing lawyer. Creativity and designing has always been my passion, and this pandemic had given me enough time and motivation to pursue my passion and live my dreams. I consider myself fortunate enough to have come across an online jewelry designing course of International Institute of Gemology and being able to complete it successfully.
Hi, my name is Vishwi and I am student of Basic Jewelry Designing Level 1. I attended class in month of September. In the COVID era, education and learning have been very difficult. Even after so many challenges, the course by IIG has proven to beat the odds and teach us wholesomely about diamond and jewelry industry. The tutor were always coordinating and helpful, giving personal attention to different speeds of the student and helping at every facet of learning.
This is Millie Desai. I'm from Bombay and I completed my polished diamond grading course from IIG Institute, and it was a great experience. Here I've been taught more of practical than theory, and yeah, it was a really great experience. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Radhika Rani and I am doing diploma in jewelry designing from International Institute of Gemology, who providing very good opportunity to show our talent in this challenging world. Recently, I got certificate by participating in a contest where we have to give a modern era to jewelry, and I'm really proud to be the part of this institute.
Hi, I am Yasira Merchant from Mumbai. I did my Pearl graduate course 2 years back, and again I rejoined for Diamond graduate course. Today is my last day over here. It is very hard for me to say goodbye because the staff over here is very kind and sweet. Both of my sirs, Vimal sir and Sachin sir, both are very cooperative. They gave me information about each and everything.
Hi, myself Prem Parmar, and I have successfully completed the jewelry designing, manual jewelry designing from the International Institute of Gemology. The faculty teacher Amarnath sir have teach very tremendously the jewelry designing, and the Rahul sir has given us many opportunities such as Surat diamond visit in SRK. It is very nice experience from the Surat, and we have got many knowledge about polishing diamonds and manufacturing and many things. So we have got knowledge of world market also. So it is very nice and very nice experience from the International Institute of Gemology. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Venus Jain, and I did my advanced diamond grading course at IIG when it was formerly known as SRDC. I have worked in retail where we dealt with custom jewelry, and the sole purpose was selling over there. But after I did my course at IIG, the deal was I knew what I was selling. Selling became easier, and most importantly, informing your client what they bought from you and what price, that became very important, and it helped. Right now, we are working at Mahindra Jewelers for custom jewelry in diamonds, and we have another branch at Dagina Bazaar named MDS where we deal with pure silver. My experience at IIG was exceptional, where the staff was very generous. They were very patient with me. They gave me enough practices, and all my questions were answered.
Thank you for such beautiful feedback videos of the student. I'm really overwhelmed with their responses. Thank you everyone. I would like to mention also that students, all your accolades and certificates are there physically present at the HO office, IIG headquarters, Charni Road. You can collect it from there. And all my online students, you will be getting all the certificates via courier to your respective places. Once again, I thank you all the dignitaries, all my other chief guests, guest of honor, Mr. Alan Hart, Hemal Sonichi, Rahul Desai, and I'm really thankful to the entire team of IIG, all the faculties and each and every member of IIG who has always supported me and stayed with me as a part and parcel in doing all the courses and helping me out in all spheres of working. Thank you everyone, Benita ma'am, Amarnath sir, everyone, Praveen sir, all my faculties, and special thanks to Mr. Rahul Desai for giving me the opportunity, this online platform for the students where I could show how well designing could be taught also. Thank you, Rahul sir. Thank you all my students. Thank you everyone for participating in this convocation. I once again, on behalf of IIG, congratulate you and wish all the best for your future and everything in life. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Congratulations, all students, Rakhi ji, everyone.
Thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of the convention ceremony.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
May I request the guest of honor and our special guest to maybe if they want, they can leave the meeting. Thank you for being here. It's very generous I'd like to especially thank Ibja and Jame too. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
If some of the students want to share their words, their feeling, they can just raise a hand and we can allow like 3-4 students to just talk about their experience. If anyone is ready to say that, you're all welcome.
You can, students, you can unmute if anyone wants to say a few words about IIG.
May I?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for giving me the chance and even for giving me to to be a part of the IIG. And I'm very much glad that I've received a Student of the Year award. It was really unexpected and very much surprise for me. And really the faculties and all the staff is very much nice and unique. First of all, unique. That really you all have supported me very nicely and have given me a chance to rise. Giving me more chance. So I'm really very glad. Special thanks to Rahul Desai sir that really he gave me the right path at right time when I was really in search of the thing that I need to rush up in my life, set my goals. At that time, really, I'm really very thankful and glad and very grateful. Thank you.
Thank you, Rutuja. Thank you for your words. Anybody else who would like to join in?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, Rahul sir. And it was a great journey. Wish to see you all in real. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks, Dad. Okay.
Thank you. Anyone else?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your great efforts. Really so happy. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you also for giving me that time period during the COVID situation because I could not come and he extended the period so I could complete it and always has given lot of opportunity for extending and doing the work creatively and everything. And thank you, Amarnath sir, for teaching so nicely. Thank you so much.
I think Shefali, you want to talk something? Yeah,
can I?
Shefali, ma'am.
Yeah. Shefali, you can unmute.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, I'm very honored to speak amongst all of you. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir. This is really very big surprise for me to have this award. There are a lot of things to be said, but a very short time to say. So I'll try to summarize it as much as I can. Firstly, I would like to thank Rahul sir for facilitating lectures in person, personal, despite the difficulties faced due to the pandemic. Thank you, Rahul sir, Bimal sir, and Patel sir for coming out to teach us and for doing a great job as that. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, Ali.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, I'm Divya Jain from Bangalore. I would like to thank Rahul sir and Gunjan ma'am for this opportunity, online classes. It was a happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya.
Arun More has raised hand. Can take,
Yeah. Parulji, you can say.
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for everything. I will like to thank Rahul sir as well for making my dream true. That's all.
Thank you so much.
Viraj, you can go ahead.
Yes, I'm glad to see all of you again. I'm thankful to all the professors for putting an incredible effort in the teachings. And thank you, Mr. Rao Desai sir, Jamana sir, Ramesh sir, and Ms. Vinita Shah ma'am for extending your great support. Your training and knowledge has been hugely influential to me in my journey at IIG. I've made good friends at IIG and could call them as my professional friends from now on. And I would like to mention here one thing that all the students at IIG, we need to stay connected with each other, like, to help and refer each other to form a good professional network from now onwards. And I congratulate all my friends and thank you once again. Thank you, IIG.
So you all can be connected. Just take participation, and soon we'll be announcing our annual events also once everything is settled down, and offline events will be started in IIG. So soon it will be like annual event we will announce. So you can all stay connected. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, all the students, for your sweet words. We will really miss you all. You all are connected as an alumni member of our institute. You will be in the group anytime, any help required from our side. We are always there with you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, best of luck for your future. And
Thank you,
Rahul sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.